You are going to love the 2021 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.